Hi guys, my name is Jen and this is my channel Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are a returning friend, welcome back. I'm super excited to have every single one of you here. Today I am here to share with you a really fun, super duper exciting collab. This is our Hop Into Spring collab. So you're going to see a little bit of spring, a little bit of Easter. It includes 11 people, but 10 channels because Erica and Chere share their channel. I will list all of the channels down below, so please make sure you go check every single one of them out. This collaboration was hosted by Erica and Chere over at Wicked Awesome Lifestyles. I will link their channel down below. Huge shout out to them and huge shout out to all the other participants because I wasn't able to help as much as I would have liked to, but they really pulled together. We had people working on the ads. We had people working on the thumbnails, getting the playlist all set up. So big thank you to actually everybody in this collaboration. I consider myself extremely blessed to be able to participate with you guys. This collab was set up so that each of us were assigned to one person to send a package to, and then at the end of our videos, we will be doing a giveaway. So make sure you stay tuned until the end to get that information. You guys, I am so excited. This is the box that I got. It is humongous, and this is from Chere over at Single Mom Review. Okay, so let's get started on the unboxing. So I'm already going to thank you, Chere, because I know you have such a generous heart. I know you have spoiled the heck out of me. I already know before I see anything, so yeah. Okay, here's what the inside of the package looks like. Oh, she wrapped everything. Oh my goodness. Okay, it says open last. We'll set this to the side. And I'm going to put my glasses on because I want to be able to read everything to you guys, just in case there's something to read. Let's start out with this. It says cheap smiling. That is adorable. Okay. Oh my goodness. There's more stuff inside. Well, I guess I knew there was stuff inside, but still. We've got an Easter Bunny cookie cutter. Can y'all see that? That is adorable. I don't know how many times in this collab I'm going to say adorable, so just expect it. Oh, she filled Easter eggs for me. Let's see what I got. Oh my goodness. It's a magnet. Look at this little gnome. It is so cute. I love it. I love it. How creative. Oh my goodness. Let's see. Another one. Oh, and this was purple. Hello, little gnome. And he's holding a flower. Look. Aww. There we go. See the flower? Thank you, Chere. Those are, you said it, adorable. Set these to the side. Oh. Then there's a little rose. I love that fabric. That's really pretty. It's wrapped. It's wrapped. I'm getting riled up because I can. Maybe. I can get riled up, but I can't open the package. Alright. We did it. Alright. Got a package of fruit. Let's open it and see. They're like little coasters. I think, maybe? But they're adorable. We have a kiwi. We have an orange. Is this dragon fruit? Is that what that is? These are adorable. I think they're coasters. Or is that the dragon fruit? That's a star fruit. I know my fruit. Maybe not. You can correct me if I'm wrong. We've got a lime. I think this is supposed to be, oh yeah, watermelon. And then we have a lemon. Those are super cute. I'll definitely get good use out of those. Ah, these things get me so riled. Okay, next package is right here. Ooh, I love these. Love, love, love. This kind of matches my sweater I have on. It's a headband and it's got a knot up at the top. I love these. Thank you, Chere. I can't stop smiling and laughing. I need to settle down. Okay. Oh, look at these. Socks. Take this off because I know I'll wear them soon. Look at those. Are those not adorable? They kind of remind me of the Neapolitan ice cream. I know there's blue, but still. All right. This one's a big one. I can't believe you wrapped everything. This is adorable. Oh, this is precious. It says, we believe in the Easter Bunny. Heck yeah, we do. Look. Those are adorable, Sherry. I love it. Thank you so much. That's getting hung up today. I was just thinking about getting one of these today. I just started a new job and I need one of these headbands. Let me take it out of the cellophane so you can see it. It is the perfect colors. Gee, Sherry, you must have been reading my mind. Although I hadn't thought about it yet, so I guess I don't know how you did that. Look at that. That is gorgeous. And then it has all the different ways you can wear it. I needed one of these. Thank you. Oh my goodness. There's a lot of stuff in here. What is this? A beautiful thing is never perfect. True. It's a foldable mirror. I needed one of these for my desk at my new job. Sherry, my gosh. Look at this. And then you open it. There's a mirror right there. I don't want to blind you guys. And then you can just set it on your desk like that. I love it. Thank you again, Sherry. Oh, these are awesome. Look. Okay, next we have, is it Ashmita? Enjoy life, be yourself. That is super pretty. It's a necklace. And it's rose gold. It's actually a necklace and earrings. Those are adorable. Look at those earrings and then the matching necklace. Beautiful. Beautiful. I love rose gold. Love it. Oh, yeah. I've seen, oh, there's two. Oh, I've seen both of these and I've never been able to get them. So this is a hydration multiplier. That's like a drink mix that you put in your water bottles. It has lemon, lime, strawberry, and watermelon. And then, how cute is this? It's a collapsible water bottle. Oh, look how big that gets. Nice. I love it. I'll be able to use that at work too. That's fantastic. And it's pink. Can't go wrong with pink. Oh, I guess you have to have the lid off of it to close it up. Got to be smarter than these things, and that's where my struggle lies, I think. Okay. Thank you, Sherry. I love that for sure. Can't get enough water nowadays. Icy chocolate. Icy chocolate. Oh, yeah. Oh, and it's dark chocolate. My absolute favorite. Thank you, Sherry. Love it. Love it. And then last but not least, ooh. I wonder what this is. Why are we singing? Ooh. Look. Oh, I love it. This is awesome. Sunflower. I love it, Sherry. Thank you so much. That is adorable. Sherry, you spoiled the heck out of me. Oh my gosh. Oh, let's put these back on because I need to read my letter. All right, it says, Dear Jen, I tried to include your favorite color blue in rose gold jewelry. Yes, you did. The fruit silicone circles are coasters. Great for summer. See, I told you they were coasters. Look at me being smart. I hope you enjoy everything. I did include chocolate, but made sure to include water for your healthy journey. Happy Easter. Love, Sherry. Single Mom Review. Sherry, you hit the nail on the head for sure with this box. Thank you so, so much. I love everything that you gave me. You really spoiled the heck out of me. Just in case I haven't said that 500 million times. Guys, channels are all linked down below. Go check them out so you are not missing out on anything. So exciting. Now let's move on to the next part. Like I said, this collaboration was hosted by Chere and Erica over at Wicked Awesome Lifestyles. And they're doing a special little side thing. They sent all of us a mystery package, and we were not supposed to peek or open it until after we opened up our gift box from our chosen person. So let me go ahead and grab that. Here we go. And I don't know if I'm supposed to say this or not, but somebody's getting a golden egg. One of the collaboration gals here is going to get a golden egg, and I think it comes with a special prize, but I'm not quite sure. So make sure you go watch all the other videos, see who got that golden egg. It says, Happy Easter. Got a cute little card. Somebody thinks you're special. From our home to yours, we hope you have a blessed Easter and enjoy your loved ones. With love, Erica and Chere. Thank you, Erica and Chere. Okay. No golden egg here. I wonder who got it. I can't wait to see. Well, I have a pink egg, and ooh, yum. We've got some Airheads in there and some Werther's chocolate. So thank you so very much, Chere and Erica. I really appreciate it. I can't wait to see what you're doing with those. All right, my friends, that is everything that Chere and Erica and Chere sent me. Thanks again to all of you. You guys are amazing. I am extremely blessed to be able to call you guys friends, and I cannot wait to see your videos. So, the giveaway. This, as usual, is going to be a mystery giveaway. It will run for 1 week. So, at some point, either Saturday or Sunday, I will be announcing the winner. A few rules. All of the rules are going to be listed down below, and then I'll have a snapshot at the end of this video of the rules as well. Just some of the basics. You must be 18 years or older. You must live within the continental United States. We definitely want you to be subscribed to all of the participants in this collaboration, and we will go through and check. And in order to participate in my giveaway, you will need to leave a secret word. And that secret word is going to be, and I just decided, sunflower. And you must leave the secret word sunflower in the comments. Please, guys, don't just drop the word sunflower. Please use it in a sentence. Summer's coming up in a couple months. I'm sure we can think of something for sunflowers, right? Okay. All right, guys. If you stuck with me through this one, thank you so very much. I had so much fun. Thanks again to Erica and Chere for hosting this collab and for inviting me to participate. And huge thanks to Chere over at Single Mom Reviews for the fantastic gift box. Absolutely amazing. I hope you guys all are enjoying yourselves, having a fantastic time. If you haven't already, if you give this video a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. If you're not a member of my YouTube family, you know I'd love to have you, and being subscribed is a requirement in order to participate in this giveaway. And until next time, guys, keep smiling. Bye.